My ants are in for a real treat because on this night, I gave them a Twinkie. As I embedded the Twinkie near their nest, little did I know that a battle of species would ensue and that there would be an unexpected conclusion. The ants swarmed all over the Twinkie, picking at its base until it toppled over. The ants were bogarting the Twinkie until, after a while, they seemed to lose interest. But on closer inspection, I could see why the larger ants were staying away. A different species of smaller ant had taken over the Twinkie. As the larger ants tried to approach the Twinkie, they were repelled by the smaller ants. I was mystified how these little ants were doing this, and when I looked closely, I could see that they were latching on to the larger ants and bugging them to the point where the larger ants would stay away. This combat tactic of the smaller ants was fascinating because they would attach to the legs and antennae of the larger ants, irritating them and fending them off. Even the next day, the little ants were keeping the large ants at bay while the little ones dined on the Twinkie. My security camera caught this large beast catching scent of the Twinkie and tracking it down. It scarfed down the Twinkie, ants and all. This large animal, oblivious to the ants, was more interested in the Twinkie. It's known as a javelina and it's related to pigs. And with one gobble, it completely negated all the fighting by the ants, and the javelina just scoured the whole area for more food. Totally rad.